Hello everyone, welcome to philviestory. Today I'm gonna cook preserved radish egg to go with my porridge. In Hokkien we call this Thai bon noi. I'm not sure if this is a specifically Penang dish, but we do eat Thai bon noi with moi, with plain porridge, or sometimes we do eat it with rice. This is my mom's secret recipe and there's no fixed amount of ingredients that you should put in or not. It goes by agak-agak. So here I have 2 eggs slightly beaten and I'll be using a salted preserved radish. Please don't get the sweet one, it doesn't taste nice. You must get the salted Thai pot. So you can rinse it or without, and then heat up the pan with oil and put in the salted preserved radish. When the pan gets hot, the salted preserved radish also will start jumping around on the pan. That's when it's time to put in the secret recipe, the secret ingredient, and that is very simple, it's just sugar. As for the amount, roughly like a handful of salted preserved radish, I will put about a teaspoon of sugar. Then just stir it around to combine the sugar with the salted radish, and then after that can just pour in the egg. As for the egg, do not season it with salt or anything, but if you want you can put a little bit of white pepper, but definitely no salt because the Thai pot itself is quite salty, and then we actually use the sugar to balance out the flavor. After pouring the egg, give it a quick stir to balance out the Thai pot so that it doesn't berkumpul in one spot. Or if you want, you can actually scoop out the radish and put it together with the egg, give it a quick mix and then pour it back into the pan. Cook it for about a minute or two until the bottom is golden brown, and then just flip it over and cook for another few minutes, and then it's ready to be served. So if you ever tried this recipe, do give me a shout out in the comment and let me know the feedback. Thank you for watching. Bye!